Hello friends, today we will carry out the soldering process with you. I will work on a part that requires precision. We will solder the part of an earring that goes inside the ear.
First, we file the part to be soldered. Then we apply flux, the solder strip, and the surfaces to be soldered. We heat the entire surface evenly with a flame. Don't continue this process for more than 2 minutes because your metal will melt and start to deform. We do not preheat the small and delicate part. As soon as we see that the solder strip has melted, we remove the flame. Without letting the product cool, we place it into the sulfuric acid solution. After a few minutes, we take it out and place it into clean water.